If you haven't joined us yet for a workshop, you're missing out. We share lots of valuable information, answer questions, and even tell a few jokes. Best of all, we make it easy for you to join us by offering both in person and virtual events. Just visit our website to find an event that's perfect for you. We've got a bag full of resources to help you learn about your TRSL retirement. Let's look at the options. Ready for some personalized assistance? Our 45-minute phone or virtual counseling sessions are a one-on-one chat with a TRSL retirement counselor. These sessions are perfect for members within 2 years of retirement or drop eligibility. Our experts will share some retirement info and answer all your questions. Attend an in-person workshop near you on a variety of subjects. Listen as we share important retirement and drop information and answer your questions in a group setting. Lights, camera, action. Join the online webinars hosted by us that zoom in on TRSL retirement and benefits. Sit back, relax, and let us take you on a knowledge-packed journey on a variety of retirement subjects, right from the comfort of your home or office. Calling all retirement planners. This workshop guides members within 10 years of retirement or drop eligibility through their retirement options. We will discuss retirement eligibility, beneficiary options, sick leave, considerations for drop, the retirement application benefit process, and much more. Please visit trsl.org and search webinars to view our webinar schedule, register for an upcoming live webinar, or watch one of our previously recorded webinars. At TRSL, we're here to help. If you have any questions about our workshops, please email us at retire.edu@trsl.org. We want to help make your retirement journey a smooth one. So mark your calendars and get ready to experience the magic of retirement with us at our upcoming workshops.